Hello ma'am, good evening. So today I'm going to explain the code of the tilt activity. So first, I will put the constant LED pin. This is the LED that attached to. Then we're going to set up. So here is I will put pin mode LED pin out. This is to initialize the LED pin as an output. And then next is I will put pin mode 2 input. This is to set the pin 2 as an input. Then next, I will put digital write to high to set pin 2 as high. And then now, we're going to make a loop here. I will put in digital val, digital val equals to digital read 2. Here is to read the value of the pin 2. The next, if high is equals to equals digital val. This is if tilt switch is not break over. And then here I will inside it I will put digital right. LED pin is low to turn off the LED. Then else if you flip it I will put digital right. LED pin high. If you flip it it will turn on the LED. So that's all mom. Thank you. So I will show you the my output. So here this is. So this is my output now. I connected both of the male to female wires to the tilt and then connected it to the breadboard, and then here my USB cable was connected to my laptop, and then I was able to code this to make this functional like this. If I tilt down it will turn off, and put if I tilt it up it will light up. So here so that's it.